Hello everybody, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda. We're going to do a short video today, but we've been getting a lot of questions about what is the difference between four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. Well, essentially four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive are pretty much the same exact thing, but the differences are four-wheel drive is something that the driver has to turn on manually themselves, either by shifting their truck into the four-wheel drive gear, or in some SUVs and some trucks pushing a button, depending on the year of the vehicle. Where all-wheel drive essentially is on all the time. Now, each vehicle is different. You have SUVs where the all-wheel drive is on and active the entire time that the vehicle is running. You have other vehicles like our Mazdas, where the computer system is monitoring road conditions and then determines the appropriate time to actually engage the all-wheel drive. But nonetheless, the all-wheel drive is still on. So, difference between four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive: all-wheel drive is on all the time, four-wheel drive has to be turned on. Other than that, you guys stay safe. If you want a reliable vehicle, something that has amazing all-wheel drive capabilities, come see me here at Russ Darrow Mazda. I'd love to show you a CX-5, CX-50, CX-90, Mazda 3, whatever fits you works for me. You guys take care, and I'll look for you on the lot. Have a great day. Bye-bye.